Hey, powder porn fans. Glad to have you here. I have something kind of special to show off today. Last week, the lady from our local school got in touch with me and wanted to see about the possibility of getting something done that they can present on graduation. It's the class of 2024's gift to the school. So it's all done now in their colors. She's going to come over and pick it up just in time for graduation tomorrow. It will be displayed outside the auditorium permanently, right outside the doors. So everybody going into the school auditorium will be able to see it. And it's pretty big, so about the limit of the capabilities of my oven. I'm going to back up a little bit here for the video to get it all in. It's the school's alma mater on 14 gauge steel. School colors, black and orange. They are the Greenfield Yellow Jackets. And in case I've had so much coffee you can't read it, I will read it to you. In the heart of Greenfield High School, 'neath the southern skies, gloriously our alma mater waves her banner high. Forward ever be our watchword, conquer and prevail. Hail to thee, our alma mater, Greenfield High, all hail. Class of 2024. So it's a big beast, 47.5 inches across. And a little bit on the flimsy side, even though it's such heavy metal. But I had Billy's help, and that was great. Considering it's about a foot taller than me and probably weighs almost as much. And we'll get a couple of close-ups here so you can check it out. Black wrinkle and hemi orange. Had to whip out the Thanksgiving tablecloth to put behind it today, because I don't have any lace that's big enough. If you got a project I can help with, get in touch. Find me at Kuda Chick Powder on Facebook or Kuda Chick 1968 on Instagram. I'm not on Instagram very often, so be patient or call me. 731-613-9192. Thanks for supporting Phoenix Specialty Coatings. It's my 18th anniversary on May 31st. Might be doing something special, so keep an eye on my videos. Thanks for your support. Mwah. Love y'all.